This is Mateo with Technomode. I'm the repair tech here at Metal Man, and today we are going to be building a cylinder cart. Alrighty, so we got all the pieces here for your cylinder cart. This is how they come. We got our top half, our bottom half, our two wheels, our chains for our tanks, our axle, and then all of our hardware here. Alrighty, so first off is you take your top piece. It goes right in here like this. And you take this, one of your big bolts here, feed it through there. Take a washer and your nut. Just go ahead and hand tighten that for now. We'll come back at the end. There we are. And then here, there's three. There we are. Nut on all three of those. Now we have our axle. Put the axle in there. Grab 4 washers, 2 on each side here. So, 1 on to begin with. You got your 2 wheels here. The inlet part goes on first. Another washer on the ends. You got your pins. One in there, one in there. Grab a pair of pliers. We're just gonna twist the ends here so they don't come out. Alrighty. And now you have your chains. You can put your chains on how you would like. Doesn't exactly matter. But there you are. And this is your cylinder cart. And they come in different sizes here. These are our 2 different sizes of cylinder carts here. We have our medium and then our small. And then along with the, you got your chains, you also have a compartment here that you can store some stuff in there, regulators or whatever you would like. So it's just a nice little feature here.